So look at this shit. The same exact trade we were trying to take yesterday. Same exact trade we were trying to take yesterday is literally fucking literally cashed. Look, all yesterday we were just trying to go from this blue line, right? This blue line back up to these equal highs, which got swept. This was RTP1. London highs, which got swept. This is RTP2. This is all yesterday stuff. And now we're going to yesterday's Asian high. So, I know I'm not crazy. I'm just mad that like price didn't go there yesterday. Like not well, it did yesterday, but not during like our trading time. Like this is all during what this is 3. That's how you do the time. Nah, this is 2 o'clock, this is 3. 16 is 4. And then yeah, 6. Yeah. Asian session took but bro, suppose if I got like a better entry, it probably could happen. If I were a little bit more patient, we were trying to take the entry while we were going down on displacement and tapping in, or we're going down and just displacing and going back to this liquidity that we swept. But what we did do, I'm pretty sure these are equal lows, if I'm not mistaken, or relatively equal. Yeah, they're relatively equal. Maybe relative equal lows right there that could be swept. So we can keep that in mind today. But I'm gonna chart up and then I'm gonna be back. All right, so we're back. I finished charting up and everything. I marked out session highs and session lows, and out 1 hour highs and 4 hour lows. 1 and 4 hour highs and lows on not only NQ, but I did it on ES as well. In case we take a trade, I like these trade targets on ES. We have 2 equal highs. Well, we have a relative equal high right here, and then we have and then we have an actual equal high right here, and then we have this final take profit, this final 1 hour high up here. Um, and then down here, but I probably have to take this trade on micro EQ. But let's go back to ES is pumping right now. So let's see what NQ is doing. See if it keeps lagging or some shit. But just looking at it, we didn't get too much higher past here. So I'm thinking we might be done for the day. Or who knows, we might come down here, sweep this liquidity. But right now, market just open, so we want to see one of our key levels get hit. London high still intact, not get taken out during pre-market. Asia high has already been swept. So it doesn't really matter. We just use it just like a take profit, like I always say. But we did just sweep this 1 hour low. CD bothers me. That's what ES is doing. Okay, ES isn't even coming down here taking out these lows, so ES is lagging. So taking out when it came down here to take out London low yet. But ES is like, yeah, ES is lagging. So I was just texting in the Discord. Also, if you guys didn't know, the Discord dropped. It's in the description down below. But yeah, right now, NQ is coming down here pumping, and then ES is just stuttering. So we might want to take this trade up. Yeah, ES is lagging because NQ is coming down here and taking out all of these. Well, it's not taking out all of these, but it swept this 1 hour liquidity, this 1 hour low right here, the previous candle, and is pushing back down. So shorts might be the move today. Let's see what we're doing in the 1 and the 4. Yeah, so I'm liking shorts. Yeah, liking shorts. I want to see some higher time frame movement. So in order to fully like confirm shorts, I want to see this candle break a structure to the downside on this. So basically, this candle just have to close below this 1 hour low or Asia high, which has already been swept. And that'll be good because okay, we can target here, target here, target here, target here, and we're done for the day. And if we want to get real bold, we can target down here. Let's also target right here as well. Boom. If we want to get real bold, we can target here, in here, in here. These relative equal lows all the way down here, which I really like as targets. We don't have any equal highs or anything, so not no real strong draws on liquidity to the upside, but if we do to the downside, we have relative equal lows right here. We have London session low right here. We have this 1 hour. We have Asia session low right here. Let's say we have this 1 hour low, 4 hour, and then we have these relative equal lows right here, which could be our final take profit. So yeah, I'm liking it. I'm really liking it. I'm just let me see what ES is doing. Oh shit. Yeah, ES is still lagging. ES has not done anything. But I'm on the 1 hour. I'm supposed to be on the 30 minute. Let me see. Yeah, ES is still lagging. So I might want to take the trade on ES. Or either ES is lagging or this could be or like NQ could be like reversing and going back up to take out these highs. We won't know. We just gotta wait till it hits like one of our key levels. It did hit this 1 hour low, but that's not really type of key level. I wouldn't really care about that because that low was like really nothing. If it takes out this low, now if it takes out this low right here, okay, cool. Now we can start looking for entries. But I'm not really paying this low any mind because it's not really a liquidity. You know what I'm saying? Like it didn't really. It's not really a drastic move in the market. Like I don't think this will cause a liquidity sweep. And then also, the 8 contracts, that's too much. Well, I'm not comfortable enough with it, so I'm gonna go back down to 5 or 6. I'm gonna switch in between there, 5 or 6, and then yeah, like it worked out perfectly fine for me Friday, but it just didn't work out for me when I lost. And if it doesn't work out for you, if your risk doesn't work for you when you lose, not only as when you win, but also when you lose, then it's not good. Like if you're not okay with losing how much you're risking, then you shouldn't be doing it. So I'm gonna go back to 5 or 6 because I'm gonna go back to 5 and I'm gonna go up to 6. I'm gonna try out 6 today because when I lost with 5 contracts, I was perfectly fine with it. And when I won with it, I wasn't too fine with it, but it was still a win. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, and we're also getting a breaker structures on 30 minutes. So if this candle could hold it, if this candle could hold, we're Gucci. We can hold 22 minutes. Oh yeah. So shorts are in play. So now we got to find an entry. But we have not touched this key level yet. I want to see this key level get hit, and then boom. Hopefully we can get an entry, ride it to London low, and ride it to this 1 hour low, Asia, and down here. I'm really liking shorts today. Let's see what ES is doing. ES is still up here. Might want to take this trade on ES. You can get better opportunity, but ES has better long opportunity. Mm, what exactly is it doing? Keep in mind, there's 10 a.m. news. It's just stalling. It's lagging. Did we take out that? No, we didn't. This is on the 1 minute. I'm tripping. About to though. All right, bro. How do I make someone? Oh, here we go. I make Brandon a mod. All right, so we just came down and made an SMT with this low because guess what? If you go back over to ES, they have not moved a pip. They've stayed in the same spot. Um, so yeah, we're still. It's just a waiting game, bro. We're just waiting on our key level to get hit. That's really it. Once it gets hit, it's like okay, cool. Only you know. You know what I'm saying? We start looking for entries, whether that's on ES or whether that's on NQ. Yeah, but we do have class in a little bit, so I'm not trying to rush anything. I'm just trying to stay patient. If I got to take a trading class, I'll take it in class. But if I could get into a trade before class, that's perfectly fine. I do. Oh my gosh, guys, I did not tell you guys, bro. So over the Labor Day weekend, I was home with my family and stuff. We had like family activities, like family reunion type activities, bro. I got dropped back off here Monday night, Labor Day night, because we obviously have school tomorrow and stuff, like the next day, all that stuff like that. So I'm getting my life together. I'm cleaning up my room. I left it a mess before I had, like, while I was packing and stuff. Um, you know, take a shower, charge my computer, stuff like that. And I grabbed my scooter charger. I went downstairs to go charge my scooter. As I'm downstairs trying to charge my scooter, I get to the bike rack and I realize my scooter is not here. So after realizing that my scooter isn't there, is this a reversal? Are we making an SMT with these children? After realizing my scooter isn't there, right? I'm like, yo, what the hell? So I'm thinking, okay, I'm thinking I left it at another building or something like that because I did drive it to the other building. I did drive it to Lakeview North. I'm thinking I left my scooter there. It's not there. I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing the scooter at all. And so I'm like, yo, what the fuck? Like, where can my scooter possibly be? If we get strong bearish momentum down here, I'll probably take it straight on yes. But I'm like, yo, where can my scooter be, bro? So I'm looking everywhere, checking out the scooters and shit, making sure like they're not my scooters. Like I'm just not seeing them. Like I'm just not seeing my scooter. You know what I'm saying? So call the police. I'm like, hey, like I think my scooter's been stolen. Like clean off the lock, bro. Like it's not even on the lock. Like I think my scooter's got like been stolen. Like it's not here. Trying to charge it, shit like that. So the police officer comes. He's looking at it, checking it out and stuff. And he's like, okay, like that's like this has been happening a lot. Apparently, he was like we're gonna call you and stuff. And all that. So yesterday, I got a call like around 2 o'clock. It was like an investigator, and he was like, hey, because they asked me like over the times and stuff for this, like I last saw the scooter and all that. And they were like, hey, yeah, blah blah blah. Yeah, like we're having a hard time like seeing you on camera and stuff like that. So like come to the station and stuff and like help us watch the camera so we can know like which scooter is yours. Because like my scooter looks the same as everybody else's scooter. It's just my board. is different. Like the words on my board is different. That's how I could tell the difference between mine. Like my board said latiped or some shit like that. And like the other board, like the other boards be saying some other bullshit, but they all have the same exact build. That gray board, the gray handles and all that. So um so boom. So we're watching the camera footage, right? Saturday, like the whole day Saturday. I'm thinking I saw it Saturday when I was leaving because like the way the bike rack works, bro. What the hell are we doing? All right, we're getting some juice. This could just be ES is. Oh, okay. ES is pumping on the. What the fuck happened on ES while I was chatting? All right, ES is pumping. So we have an SMT at these lows, and they're both in sync now. So they're both pumping. We have an SMT at this low. I'm pretty sure. I think. I hope. I just want to see when my key levels get. But yeah. So like mind you, on Saturday before I got picked up, because I didn't leave Friday, I left Saturday, right? Saturday before I got picked up, I was walking to go get my food from the Uber Eats person. And like the way the bike rack is, you could peek over there and see. I didn't like literally walk to the bike rack, but like I saw it from a distance and there was a scooter, mind you, like I said, all these scooters look the exact same. And it was parked like in my spot where I usually park my scooter. So I'm thinking that's my scooter. And it was like locked. So I'm like, okay, my scooter is there and it's locked. I'm good. I don't gotta worry about this shit. You know that? I ain't even bothered to go over there and look. So went over there on some like I went to go get my food and stuff. Oh no. I went to the police station. My fault. Where am I going? Went to the police station yesterday. We watched the camera footage. Whole day of Saturday. I'm thinking I saw it Saturday. It's not there on Saturday. I'm like, what? And I didn't ride it. I didn't ride it at all. So we go back to Friday. Friday is the last time, like, I know for sure I rode it. So Friday in the morning, like, see me getting on there. All right, going to class and stuff. Coming back from class, okay. I left to the bookstore twice while it was raining. You see me park it. And then the game, like, then there was a time where, like, I want to say it was like 11. It was 11. It was like 11 something. Like, I'm at the game at this time. And some girl came and took my fucking scooter. She stole it. She stole it and she rode across the street off campus, bro. Now they're looking for her. Yeah, so now I'm scooterless and I gotta leave for class a little bit earlier in order to make it on time. And this isn't doing shit. Like this is just what are we doing? This is just a no trade day. We might be down on the fucking week. Price hasn't even hit a single one. Price hasn't hit a single one of my key levels yet. Like ES is just sitting in the same spot. Like not even gonna go take out London low. I mean London high on NQ. We're just sitting in the same spot. We're just floating around the same area. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? We're down here. How to look? Okay, is Asia High being used as a liquidity sweep? All right, shit. Asia High is being used as a liquidity sweep. So let's see if we can get this leg up. I want shorts. I just want to see price go up and hit this key level. I want shorts now. So I want to see it go up, hit London high, and then reverse off of London high down. So we can target these draws on liquidity down here. But if it doesn't, if it hits London high and it keeps going and keeps running, that's cool. But as long as we go somewhere, I don't give a fuck. Like I don't give a fuck where we go. Just move. You know what I'm saying? Don't just sit here and just keep going up and down. Like we don't want these candles. We want these type of candles. Like, we don't want these jittery candles. We want these big boys. We want these drakes. You know what I'm saying? So ES is still probably in the same spot. Oh, okay. ES might not be lagging anymore. All right, ES isn't lagging anymore. Good. So we're probably gonna take this straight on ES. We're getting a huge Drake down, which is going to be a huge break of structure to the downside on ES. If we could hold it on the 5 minute, and then on the 1 minute, we gotta hold it on the 1 minute. If we can hold it on the 1 minute, then it'll most likely change it to the translate over to the five. All right, just got a huge break of structure to the downside on ES, which is good. Let's check the 5 minute. This is just a 5 minute retrace. Just getting a 5 minute retrace, honestly. This isn't nothing crazy. This isn't anything to go crazy over. But we do have that 10 a.m. news, so honestly, this might be perfect. Because wait, did we sweep that? Did we hit this low? Came down and we tapped it, and we're coming back up. I just hit this key level. I like it didn't sweep it; it just hit it. So made equal lows, honestly, or relative equal. Nah, look about equal in the 1 minute. Now we're getting that leg up. Now, if we get a break of structure above here, that'd be great. To the upside, then you can go take out London High, and then rather there, you tell me whether you want to go long or you want to go short. That's all you gotta do, bro. Um, just all you gotta do is just wait. You know what I'm saying? Market will tell you where it wants to go. Now, that's if you're paying attention to it. Just gotta pay attention and wait. See what it wants to do. So we gotta wait for it to hit one of these key levels. It did hit that key level though. It did hit that yellow line. So I want to get a revert. Let's see what the higher time frames are doing. I've been on the lower time frames for too long. All right, so these are going green. 1 hour. Yeah, turn green. So I think these are just higher time frame. I mean, lower time frame retracements to give the higher time frame more juice to go down. We probably got that break structure. Yeah, we got that break structure to the upside. Strong bullish momentum. So we're about to go hit London highs. So we came down, we tapped this. Should I enter long on this and just take profits at London high? All six guns. Let me see something. Let me see if this is worth it. We're on the practice account, just making sure. So if I were to buy, were to do that, nah, it's not even worth it. Yeah, not even worth it. That's my new method now. Whenever I get the impulsive urge to trade, I just quickly switch over to my practice account and just do it. Just you know what I'm saying, just make my mistake there rather than making it right here with the real money. But We did get a strong breaking structure to the upside, so hopefully that just moves us somewhere. You know what I mean? But this might just be a retracement. We did tap this key level, so if we could get, I just want to get a good move down. So from this high, and this high to from this low to this high. We're so past equilibrium, which is good in a way. And then also, if we come down and close up below here, we have a break of structure to the downside because we did tap that key level. All right, this could be our entry because we're getting equilibrium in. Oh, we didn't get break of structure. We didn't get break of structure, so no, that's not our entry. This hit our key level though. This hit our key level. We reverse stop. Now we just wait break of structure. We got break of structure. A little, I mean, we got equilibrium. We don't have break of structure yet, so I want to get break of structure. I want a strong break of structure also. Took the fucking 5 minutes doing the 5 minute. Oh, I don't know. I don't know because the 5 minutes giving legs up. So if we get a break of structure, if we get a break of structure on high time frames, then that's telling me that we're going long. You know what I'm saying? I can't go against that. But the 1 hour is back red, and the 4 hour is back red as well. So like I said, these could just be lower time frame retracements with the fifth and the 30 minutes even red. So the 15 and the 5 could just be lower time frame retracements. We might have our entry. Yeah, we wanted that break of structure. We're getting it. We're getting it. We're getting it. Yeah, we were in equilibrium. I want to see this candle close because even though it's far away, oh no, news comes literally in like a fucking second. So I'm probably not even gonna enter because I don't know what that news candle is gonna. But it's a red folder news. If it was orange, I would most definitely just say fucking it, enter. But it's red folder news, dude. So I'll just watch it from my phone as I'm walking to class. I'm not even charged my headphones, dude. Fucking child. I ain't even charged my headphones. All right, but it's 9:56. I stayed a little bit too long. I'm gonna watch it from my phone and shit like that. And yeah, I'm gonna let you guys know when, like, well, you guys are gonna obviously see me when I get back. I'll be back probably like 9:40, 9:50. So yeah, peace out, peace out, peace out. Just getting some more displacement down. Oh no, we fear candles like this. Dude, Oh, man. Um, Low key might get stopped at a break even. We still minimize the loss today, even if we do get stopped out. I'll take this over shit. We're just getting very large. We're just getting a retracement, a 1 hour retracement. And we're just getting a lower time frame retracement. Oh, the 4 hours green. Brrr. So this new 30 minute. Need this new 30 minute to go our way. Same with this 15. And this 5. We need this 5 to go our way. There is a fair value gap. And guess where break even is? Right in the middle of this fair value gap. No, we it just tapped into it though. So hopefully we could just respect it and go back down and take out another take profit and shave more debt off. It's 15 minutes going in between. We need this 15 minute to pull our way if we're gonna continue lower. Same with this 30. Stop was right here. Everybody gets stopped at that break even. Housing email. Oh, yeah. All right. Everybody gets stopped out, so yeah. And so we're back at $600. We lost. We minimized as much as we could. We could have took more, but honestly, maybe I'm not complaining. We chopped it down as much as we could from 500 down to 322. So we made another like what 180. So we did 174. That's better than sitting at fucking negative $500. So now we got like we bought ourselves like 3 more days of trade. We could look for another entry later, but I don't really know. I don't know if I want to test my luck. We were in that fair value gap though. We were in that fair value gap. This is a 5-minute fair value gap that we were filling, as you can see, from here to here. So honestly, if we could respect this fair value gap, the video was not recording again. Sorry, this keeps happening. But we entered the trade. I was basically saying, I hope this trade goes my way. Like I hope it goes my way. If it doesn't go my way, it is what it is. If it does, it does. Doesn't matter. I gotta go somewhere, and I was saying I'm gonna just be checking it on my phone, and I'll see you guys when I. But this is bothering me. My OCD. It's whatever. It's perfect. Like it'll do. It'll do. But yeah, if this trade hits, it hits. Like I was just basically stressing. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It is what it is. We'll just be down like what 235 plus 324. I'm pretty sure that's a little less than what we were down at the start of the day. So not completely back in the same boat, but back in the same boat. Um, but yeah, I gotta go. I'll see you guys when I get back. And don't forget, if you have not joined the Discord, join the Discord. And yeah. All right, guys, we're back. I just came back. And the trade did not go my way. But here's what happened. When I left, like we were pretty strong down here. And I'm not gonna lie. Bro. I was being a pussy. I moved my stop loss to break even. So we get out of the trade. We lost $2 from the break even tax. So we didn't lose too much money. We didn't lose all the money we worked so hard to make back. Um I don't even know what happened, bro. This whole week has been fucking choppy and ass. Like I can't even begin to explain like what's going on. I gotta go back and just watch these videos, bro. I gotta see what I'm doing wrong. Like I don't even think I'm doing anything wrong. I mean, today I most definitely did something wrong. I rushed. That first trade was just why did I even take that? Um, like I didn't even wait on like the 5-minute break structure. But yeah, bro, we got to fix something because everything we made last week is slowly evaporating. As you can see, we did 1,800 last month, and now we're down 1,200, and we can't lose any more money because once this touches 182, the account is gone. And I'm gonna be very mad because I'm gonna wish I took this payout on Friday instead of giving myself until this Friday to take the payout. So we're gonna trade tomorrow just regularly. We got 2 more days, bro. Hopefully these 2 days can that's one thing I like about trading, man. You can always make it back. So literally one day, one good day could possibly wipe out these 2 bad days. One good day. But I want to have 2 good days because I want to whatever I have on Friday. If I still have the account Friday, honestly, whatever I have, if it's a good amount, like you know what I'm saying, like if we're back up into the thousands or the wherever we were, you know what I'm saying, whatever we have Friday, we're requesting it for a payout. So I gotta win. I gotta win tomorrow and Friday. I gotta win. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Stay blessed, stay safe, and I'll have the video up in a little bit. Don't remember. Don't forget. Also, don't forget if you have not joined the Discord, make sure you join the Discord. Um, the link to it is in the description, like so down below. Yeah, the Discord is pretty active right now. It's pretty active today. Let me show you guys. Don't look at my docs. This is the server. I think it's about 11 people in there so far. We're gonna see right now if it loads. If it loads, okay, that's cool. All right, yeah, this is the server right now. We're in it right now. We got some good amount. We got a good amount of people in here right now. Where do you see your members? I'm still learning how to work Discord. Members. Okay, here we go. We have we have 17 people in the Discord so far. So remember, if you have not joined the Discord, make sure you join up. Get on in here. And yeah, man. Have a great day. See you guys later.